You type a question into ChatGPT and instantly get a detailed answer, code snippet, or explanation. But how does an AI system generate human-like responses so quickly? To understand that, we need to look at the technology behind ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI system developed by OpenAI. It belongs to a category of models called large language models, or LLMs. These models are designed to understand and generate natural language by learning patterns from massive amounts of text data. Before ChatGPT can answer questions, it goes through a training process. During training, the model reads billions of sentences from books, articles, research papers, and publicly available web pages. Instead of memorizing information, it learns patterns in language such as grammar, sentence structure, and relationships between words. When you type a prompt into ChatGPT, the text is first broken into smaller units called tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, or even punctuation. The model then predicts the most likely next token based on the context of the sentence. The core technology behind ChatGPT is a neural network architecture called a transformer. Transformers use something known as an attention mechanism, which allows the model to understand relationships between words across a sentence. Let's look at a real example. Suppose you ask ChatGPT, "Explain machine learning in simple terms." The model analyzes your prompt and generates a response by predicting the next most likely words step by step. To make responses more helpful, models like ChatGPT are improved using reinforcement learning from human feedback. Human reviewers evaluate responses and guide the system toward better answers. Even though ChatGPT can generate impressive answers, it doesn't truly understand information like humans do. It predicts text patterns based on what it learned during training, which means it can sometimes make mistakes.